Hey, guys, what's up? My name is Anna, and in this video, I will clarify for you some doubts about the darling of the moment, the product, the X Factor Guide. I'll tell you here in this video if the X Factor Guide works, if the X Factor Guide is good, and if it really is all that people have been talking about. The first point I want to bring here in this video is a very important warning about the X Factor Guide. Take care of the website you will buy the product if you decide to purchase it, because the original guide is only sold on the official website. On this site you are guaranteed to receive immediate access soon after the completion of your purchase, and only buying through it, you can request a refund if you do not like the product. It's the safest way to buy the X Factor Guide, and, to help you, I left the link of the official website below, in the description of this video. So guys, what is the X Factor Guide, and does it really work? The answer is yes. The X Factor Guide 2.0 works and has given results to hundreds of women and men who have applied the method and can work with you too. Even if you think it's impossible, Brad Browning, great expert on the subject, will teach you step by step how to use this technique to force your ex to fall in love with you again, forever. So, the X Factor Guide is for you who miss your ex so much that you would be willing to do almost anything to get him back. If you go to bed crying, thinking you've lost everything, wanting something so much that you can't stop thinking about it, no matter how hard you try, it may be that this is the solution you've been looking for. If you're desperate, you're probably feeling that way now. There's a light at the end of the tunnel for you. It's proven that over 90% of all relationships can be recovered. But only if you know exactly what you're doing. In the X Factor Guide, Brad Browning reveals simple and secret psychological tactics that you can use right now to make your ex-boyfriend yearn for your attention again, to convince him that you're the only girl in the world he really wants, and do it at fight for you, tooth and nail, until it finally has you in its arms again. If you want your ex-boyfriend to admit that he made a mistake and make him want you back, then you need to know this product. Because the longer you wait, the more likely you are to lose it forever or be replaced by another woman and become a distant memory deep in his mind. When you apply the techniques in this book, you will surely be surprised how many women were left. You'll be shocked how much he'll want to call you, text you, and stay with you all night. Will be fantasizing about you, thinking of you, and wishing your touch. And you'll be amazed at how amazing it is to wake up every morning with him by your side, knowing that he'll never want to leave you again. I know that sounds impossible, but it's not. As I said, over 90% of relationships can be recovered. Your relationship is no different. So it doesn't matter what mistakes you've made up to that point. It doesn't matter if you've already begged him to take you back. It doesn't even matter if you think he's madly in love with another woman right now. Your relationship with him can be fixed, even if you don't think it's possible for him to love you again. The X Factor Guide 2.0 has been developed step by step with techniques that will quickly change his feelings for you. And in the blink of an eye, start rebuilding passion and romance. Brad Browning has been a relationship expert for over a decade. She has worked with thousands of couples and, in particular, thousands of women in the midst of a breakup, to mend broken relationships and build new ones that overflow with passion and genuine love. He managed to break down male psychology at its core and learn exactly what makes guys work. I identified the key buttons that women need to press to engage with a man's feelings and desires. These buttons are the key to your success. Once you know which buttons to press, you just need to get out and push them. And that's why he built a comprehensive step-by-step guide to help women in the healing process of their broken relationships. Super important also inform you here in this video that the X Factor Guide 2.0 has a money-back guarantee in 60 days. Means there is literally zero risk. Sign up, try it, and you will be extremely satisfied with the results. Just like thousands of other women who have used it successfully, but in case it doesn't work, just click a button and get your money back. No questions, no hassles, and no fees. I hope that I helped you with this video have clarified the main points of doubt about the X Factor Guide 2.0. The X Factor Guide works, has brought incredible benefits to many people and has proven to be an extremely effective product for restoring broken relationships. Do not forget to use the step-by-step correctly and also to pay attention to the site that will buy it, remembering that the X Factor Guide is only marketed safely on the official site that I left underneath this video. If you have any questions, just call me and I will be happy to help you. Until next time.